Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hakwe ni kijing Jaka basngo sangsat ki pulit kilalap ya kawe ketemen kebelah repos nem AA karta bakatia linktar haga Jaka Theh Niut hamambai. Ketika temen ketika bapang kanser bat kelak keno bade ukun Ksiew Jaka buan Bret Jaka haga Jaka Theh Niut. Hakapor bagi pulit kilap ketika temen kebelah tip kerteng kum kaya shoda ga kuat kelah telot baha. Habaki pulit kikeli banyak kalaya thu haki bau ukun Ksiew Jaka ulawan Bret Jaka haga ni Jaka Theh Niut ki pulit kelalap Jaka hakapor minstep Hendrik kelalap berpendrung hapo hospital hado kapor san jiteng janmiet namar babun ki hospital kim tre apdiang Jaka namar bakim ila sumarshu kedik badan kanser hakas ni do kapentip syaki pulit yaki art ligi Jaka sa jongka kue hamalat bat kue pat hakan di vali ki pulit kedang tokit bnia yakani bagi dang wat de ki bahi ngesam jongka bat kelap haru shaman lagi police station ya ka sur jong ke teman kenang bagi bahi yeng kinwan mi shathanat.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.